In 3 steps, you can add your AirPods to Apple's Find My network. First, connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Keep your AirPods close and open the lid of the charging case. Then tap Connect from the AirPods pop-up. If the pop-up is not showing, you're going to have to reset your AirPods first. For no-button AirPods Pro 3, double-tap the front of the case 3 times quickly when the light comes on. The status light will flash amber, then flash white, which means the reset is complete. For AirPods with a button on the case, press and hold it until you see the light flash amber and then white. Once your AirPods are connected, they're automatically added to Find My. Launch the Find My app, and under the Devices tab, check if your AirPods are listed. If they're not, you're going to have to enable Find My on your iPhone. First, add your iPhone to the Find My network. Launch the Settings app, tap on your name, and scroll down a little to Find My. Under Find My iPhone, turn on the toggle. Enable Find My iPhone and Find My network for offline finding. That's it. Wait a second and check again in the Find My app. You're all set. Please like to support me. If you have any questions, then comment below. Subscribe for new video updates.